Now, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. It's your Jamaican girl Norlene, and of course it's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have another special Jamaican meal just for you. Stay with me for this my cooking experience where I will be sharing with you my Jamaican sweet and sour cauliflower. If you are new to this journey, guys, this is a vegetarian special, so stay locked and connected. Remember, give me some thumbs up, give me some likes, and of course when the video is over, share the channel with your friends and tell them they should subscribe. Thank you for sharing my channel with your friends. All right, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. People, I'll go straight to make my tomatoes and pepper sauce for this sweet and sour sauce. So guys, I have my tomatoes, my onions, my garlic, my ginger with a little bit of water. I'm gonna cover down my ninja bullet and I will blend this until it is smooth. All right guys, so we're done this, so we'll go straight into the other ingredients that I will use to prepare the sauce. I have chopped garlic and ginger and onion. I have tomato paste, chopped bell peppers and onion, some powder season, cornstarch, pineapple slices, some white vinegar, and a medium cauliflower. So guys, it's time for our birthday shout out. So grab your ingredients and meet me back in the kitchen in just a few. If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. An extra special happy birthday greeting goes out to my nice, clean, good up cousin Teddy, girl. Remember, Wim's Kitchen love you with all my heart. To the pot, family and friends, I will add some garlic and chili infused oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pot. I will fry off my finely chopped garlic, ginger, and onion until lightly brown, and then add to that about a quarter cup of red blended seasoning. I will stir this in and then add to that my powdered seasoning. I will add the vinegar. I will mix in my tomato paste with about a quarter cup of water. Stir this, add some more water, about half a cup. Add my honey, add of course my brown sugar and cornstarch mixed in about quarter cup of water. I will continue to stir this until my sauce comes to a boil. Cover and allow the sauce to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. The food for thought comes to us today. Matthew 5 tells us, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemaker. Rejoice and be exceedingly glad, for great is your reward in heaven. Now remember, guys, the Lord wants to call you blessed. The Lord consider you to be his blessed child. We want to hear that good words coming from his lips. My faithful child. So let us all strive for the marking of the higher calling which is in Christ Jesus. Now, family and friends, after 5 minutes, the sauce has reduced and thickened, and guys, it smells good. To that, I will add my cauliflower. I will add the assortment of bell peppers. I'll add to that some chopped pineapples. Jamaican sweet and sour can't be sweet and sour without that pineapple chunks. All right, guys, I am gonna spice this up with some cracked black pepper, some garlic salt mixed with parsley. Guys, just look on this. I will cover this on medium heat to cook for about 3 minutes. Now people, if this is not a new one for you, please share in the comment section how you prepare your sweet and sour cauliflower. Let's look at this. Family and friends, 3 minutes in, this thing looks good. I'm gonna add to that a touch more black pepper, add a little bit more of my steak seasoning, add a little more salt to taste up the thing. People, I've tasted it, it's just right. I'm just gonna let this simmer for about 1 more minute. Now people, look at this.
This looks awesome. It
all
is
done,
inviting. And I sure hope you'll enjoy the time in the kitchen with It's me. Once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Now guys, I'm plating this and sharing this experience with you. Enjoy and don't forget to try this next time you are in your kitchen.
See there, delightful, pleasant to the eye, delicious to your palate. Good. Thank you for staying along with me on this my cooking experience where I did for you cooking Jamaican style. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week where I'll have for you another authentic Jamaican meal. Remember, people, save this to your favorite playlist, share it with your friends. Remember, subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. As a matter of fact, if you reach this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet, what you wait upon? Just go ahead, drop me some likes, and don't go without subscribing. Love, 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 love you. Mwah. And I'll see you next week.